Hi everyone, I'm Miss Bivens, your instructor this semester. I'm going to do a little recording to go through some general information about the page for you. Here you can read and find out my contact information. Email is the best way to contact me. Also, please sign up here for Remind. That would go to my phone and I can contact you guys very easily there, so please set that up. This is Bio 111. And it is a pretty difficult course. It will require that you spend quite a bit of time online doing the work. I'm going to scroll down and show you some things that you'll want to do immediately when you log in. You want to complete these slideshows that I have for you. This you want to go ahead and complete as soon as you can. Take the attendance quiz also. Do this on day one right when you log in. Here's a contact form also you can complete. Here, this is your syllabus with policies on grading. I go through lots of this in this particular assignment right here, the syllabus information and chapter 1. Scroll down a bit more. You'll see the schedule, the calendar here that lists what days, what we are doing on certain days. It is going to, this is our attendance, the attendance syllabus here. So you want to make sure that you go through that. Now I'll go back to the screen. Here we are. Scroll back down. All right. I want you to complete the syllabus quiz. Very short quiz, just asking questions about that you have read the syllabus. Make sure to click here to set up your McGraw-Hill account and set up a Connect page. You follow the login instructions. You should be able to click on here. It will ask you to look for the book. You're going to type in biology, and then you're going to look for the 13th edition. This is the book here. It has a large whale on it, and it is the 13th edition Sylvia Mader textbook. If you have trouble here at this link, you may scroll down a bit more. And there are some instructions here you can use. There's also a slideshow that shows you exactly how to do all of this. At any time in the semester, if you have difficulty, here's how you can contact the technical support at McGraw-Hill. Here's their 1-800 number, and here is the chat and email. Here, they have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week support. Please write down your password and your user ID when you set up your account. Once you have that set up, you're going to, let me keep scrolling a little bit. Right here it says Red Shelf Inclusive Access Opt Out or Obtain an Access Code. You do not want to opt out of that. The book comes with, your tuition includes access to the book at that website. Don't worry about this. Inclusive access includes your book, so you really don't have to do anything here at all. I do want you to introduce yourself and make a forum post. Tell us a little bit about yourself. This is the first thing that you're going to do. Once at the book website, so you're going to click here. Takes a second. You're going to click there. And this is the book you're going to be looking for, Mader 13th. It's going to ask for the book for you to probably put in the name of the book. So you're going to type in biology. And once you see this book, the 13th edition, click on it, and then you'll see this screen come up. Go to Connect, and you can set up an account. Once you do that, you will be able to enter into your particular class that I have created at the website, the McGraw-Hill website. And it's taking just a minute to load. I do live out in the country and my internet is not the fastest, so I don't have tons of lectures that I do because it takes so long for me to upload them. It can take hours and hours and hours for me to upload even a 15-minute short video. So it's going to take you to your particular section. And I'm just going to switch the view to student view so you can see what it's going to look like to you. So I'll go back to student view here. Just going to switch it. Now this website is important. This is where you will take quizzes for each of the tests. You have a quiz for all the tests that we take, so they're going to be 5 quizzes. Here's the quiz for test 1. It's available as soon as you start. On the 17th at 9 a.m. it'll open. It's going to be due here on August 29th at 12 a.m. And you want to make sure you have this done and study it. You can take it 3 times until I'm going to record the highest grade you get. Right now, you have 2 assignments to do. You have an entrance quiz. Go ahead and take that first. Get it done. I just want to see what you know about biology at this point. You do not have to study for it. I don't care if you get a 20 on it or a 30. In the end of the semester, you're going to take the same quiz again, and I'm hoping to see an improvement. So that's just for my general information. You also have a practice test for Tegrity. Tegrity is a screen monitoring software we use when you take tests. This is only used for taking the test. So I'm going to show you how to log or launch the Tegrity. You would scroll all the way down to the bottom under Resources on your screen and go to Recorded Lectures. It's going to bring up an area where you then will have to download the Tegrity software onto your computer. You will want to go ahead and do that this week. Get this set up and go ahead and take that practice quiz. Again, I don't care what you get on that either. I just want you to set it up so you know how to do that when you have to take that test in a couple of weeks. I have already made a couple of recordings here. When you do this, you will download the Tegrity, and you will be able to record your screen. Before you take a test, you will show your ID, and you will begin the recording. I'm going to go back to the web page now, though. Here, let's go back here, and we're just going to go down to look at some other resources. So once you've logged in there, you'll be able to. Here is a video that we can watch also that shows you exactly how to set up your account there. So this is a good video to watch. Come back here and watch this. We also have another slideshow here that shows you exactly how to set up your account on Connect. So you log in here. You go to the McGraw-Hill campus on Moodle. You set up your Connect account, which is what you're going to do. Once that's set up, you can then go ahead and watch the video here to explain how to use Tegrity. I will open this up briefly, show you just a little bit of it. Of course, there's probably going to be some sort of ad on here. Let's see if we can get it to go.
To record your test through Connect, you'll need to start on the home page of your Connect course. You'll see your assignment, but before you open it, you'll want to come to the Recorded Lectures portion on the left-hand side of the page.
Recorded Lectures, that's where you're going to go. On the left-hand side of the page, as I showed you a moment ago.
You want to click the Start a Test button.
Right there. You will see Start a Test button.
When recording a test through Tegrity, you'll need to install the recorder before you proceed.
So right here, you will need to install the recorder on your machine. Now, I want to point out to you, anyone who has a Chromebook will have difficulty and will not be able to use Tegrity. Contact me directly, and I have a workaround. You'll talk to me specifically, and I will tell you what to do in that case. Otherwise, please follow the instructions here in this video. Okay, watch this on Moodle. And once you have it set up, take the practice quiz, and then I'll be able to come and look at it. And I'm going to go ahead and stop this video now because it's getting long, and I will make some other ones, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.